Four reasons why your gas disappoints you on Sundays. Yes. So after my years of experience in electronics industry, I found out four simple reasons why your gas cooker finishes before the due time. And one of the reasons is what you order versus what you get. Just imagine paying for gas of 25,000 naira and you are getting gas of 20,000 naira. Yes, your gas have to finish before the set time. Yes, and that's why I'm encouraging you in this video. Don't just patronize anyhow gas plants out there. Look out for trusted and registered gas plants and patronize them. So the second reason why your gas fails you on Sundays is because your gas cylinder is having a leakage. So I will advise you, the next time you want to fill that gas cylinder, ask them with a sweet tone to test run that gas cylinder, to run a test on it to make sure that it is not leaking. If it's having a leakage, they will help you and fix it. So the third reason why your gas fails you, more especially on Sunday or that day that you want to cook by surprise, is that your gas burner itself is having a leakage. Most times, because of worn out issues, some of the parts of that gas burner is weak and it needs replacement. It might cause leakage. Yes, so if you notice that anytime you enter your kitchen you are perceiving gas everywhere, make sure you fix the problem. And most times the solution to the problem is getting a new gas. So get a new gas and replace the old one. So the final reason why your gas fails you or finishes before the due time is because you cook every day, like 7 days a week, 30 days a month you are cooking. I'm not saying that you should stop cooking, but excess cooking without proper storage system is a waste of time, it's a waste of energy, it's a waste of money. You can even get burnt out on the process. So what is my advice then? Because I know that one of the reasons why you cook every day is because either you have a bad freezer or because you don't have a freezer at all. So I will advise you go to Shoplog Electronics Lagos and purchase a good freezer. At Shoplog you get a freezer that can hold ice and retain coldness for 3 to 4 days. Yes, you heard me right, 3 to 4 days. And you can get in contact with them via the phone number displaying on your screen, or check out the comment section. And in case you have any reason why your gas finishes before the expected time and I did not mention the reason, help me in the comment section. And sharing this video to help someone out there will be a bonus to that person. And if you find this video helpful, why not subscribe or follow, depending on the platform you are watching from. So till I see you again, or till my video meets you again, do well to like and see you in my next video. I'm the man for God 247.